Hello everyone, welcome to your intuitive buddy, and this video is for all the water signs for the month of July, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. तो बेसिकली आप इसे अपने ज़ोडिएक साइन से देख सकते हैं, सन साइन से, या फिर आप अपने चंद्र राशि से देख सकते हैं. सो विच एवर यू रेजोनेट द मोस्ट विद, यू कैन सी दिस वीडियो with that particular zodiac sign, and let's see what is coming next for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for the month of July. Okay, so the first card जो आया है says Ten of Pentacles. A lot of you have been wanting a lot of stability in your life, financially, emotionally, family में. Ten of Pentacles basically ये denote करता है that you want overall happiness, not just finance, but you also want harmony in the family. You want your spouse, your partner to understand you, your family to understand you, regular income. You want harmony in all aspects of your life. And I see that you're working towards it basically. The storm that you have been going through since the last 6 weeks to 6 months has now passed, and you are slowly walking towards stability. And I can confirm this with Ace of Wands कि आप एक स्टेबिलिटी की तरफ जा रहे हो, and the journey may be slow, okay, but you're walking towards it. So in the month of July, yes, you will get an opportunity to come out of anything that was not serving you or was not serving your purpose and was coming between your purpose. So July month में आपको opportunities in terms of the overall happiness that you want in your life, that is money, that is harmony in your family, that is your parents, your spouse, everyone, even the animals, if you have pets, even if you have dogs and cats in your house, उनकी health को लेके आप परेशान थे. So there will be stability in that area of your life because you are moving forward. In fact, you are the only person in the house who will bring that harmony, that balance, that stability for your family members. बहुतों के लिए I see your mother's health or a woman's health was very important to you. So the woman, be it your mother, be it your wife, be it your partner, anybody who had been going through issues in life, be it health related, वो बहुत हद तक ठीक हो रहे हैं because you are moving forward with them. You are coming into an energy of harmony. You are coming into the energy of stability and new opportunities in the month of July. So yes, woman plays a very important role in your life. So हो सकता है ये opportunity woman के through आए आपकी life में, or maybe she will be the one pushing you to bring harmony, bring that positive financial change in your life. तो ये कोई भी हो सकती है, आपकी फ्रेंड हो सकती है, आपकी मदर हो सकती है, आपकी वाइफ हो सकती है, आपकी पार्टनर हो सकती है, बट अ मेजर चंक ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस वुमन. सो दिस कैन बी प्रोफेशनल ऑल्सो, दैट अ वुमन हैज़ is wanting to give you a professional breakthrough in the month of July. Let's see what else is coming for Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Yes, there's a lot of energy that has not been healed. बहुत ऐसी एनर्जी है that you're not able to properly get proper sleep at night, or you're not able to cope up with so much built up emotions inside you, because a lot of energy has to do with your past. You might be saying that no, I do not have any past energy, I don't think about any energy of the past, but it's not always thinking, it is about healing. Have you healed your past energy? Have you healed that karma? You haven't. You're still a little underconfident, scared, एंड जब तक आप ये अपनी एनर्जी हील नहीं करोगे, दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड दिस हीलिंग will get delayed. So you have to do an inner child healing. You have to do cord cuttings from your past, and you have to move away from the backstabbing energy from the past. This is not a future energy. This is the past energy. और मे बी दिस इज़ द करंट एनर्जी. पास्ट की एनर्जी है जो आपको करंटली बहुत परेशान कर रही है, एंड यू आर वेरी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. You feel that whatever you're doing is not working out, is stuck, is because constantly आप अभी कोई चीज़, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आपके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आई लेकिन इट डिडंट गो थ्रू, सो यू विल थिंक पास्ट में भी मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ था. सो दिस पास्ट में भी ऐसे हुआ था इज़ एक्चुअली योर करंट हिंड्रेंस. I don't know how much you can resonate with what I'm saying, but you need to heal your past wounds, be it financial, be it emotional, or be it personal. और जितना आप इस चीज़ को हील करोगे उतना ही आप आगे लाइफ में प्रोग्रेस करोगे. You are probably walking away from an old energy. There is a spiritual transformation that is coming in you. There is a lot of surrendering that you will do in the month of July. Even if you get the work and there is financial abundance, you will still start surrendering, which is a good part. You will not get emotionally attached to your work, to your problems, or to your wounds, which is a very good part. And that is the reason I'm saying that your healing is a very important aspect in the month of July and August. And I see some international opportunity coming to you in the month of July. In fact, 3 weeks from now, 3 weeks from the day you watch this reading, you will get some international opportunities. Something that you've been waiting for will come to you. And it could also involve traveling. It could also involve moving out, moving from your current location, shifting to a new house. So there's a lot of new energy that is coming to you and offers coming to you. But the only thing that you need to do is you need to heal from your past so that you can attract these new energies. So July is auspicious for you. July is bringing you opportunities provided you heal yourself and you take the inner child healing. So this was your July reading, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. In case you want to book a personal reading with me, you can DM me on Instagram on Your Intuitive Buddy, or you can mail me at yourintuitivebuddy@gmail.com and we can book a personal reading. Thank you everyone for watching. Jai Guruji, take care.